Welcome to our deep dive into the ever-evolving world of the oil and gas industry. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we will be discussing the transformation of the energy sector and what it means for maintenance and reliability teams. We'll explore the shifts in industry practices, the impact of clean energy initiatives, and the opportunities these changes present for innovation and job growth within the sector. Let's get started. The oil and gas industry has seen a lot of change recently. From the shift from conventional drilling to fracking, rising public concern about climate change, government push for alternative clean energy, and geopolitical events like the Ukraine-Russia war. All these conditions are reshaping the industry and opening up exciting challenges for maintenance and reliability. The United States began conventional drilling for oil and gas in the 1800s, during the early days of the Industrial Revolution. As underground reservoirs were tapped and drained, the industry had to innovate and turn to unconventional methods. Fracking, or horizontal drilling to release trapped gas and oil in shale rock, led to a significant increase in oil and gas production. This made the country one of the top producers of oil and gas in the world and generated cheap energy to fuel economic growth. However, it also raised concerns about pollution, global warming, and the potential connection of fracking to increased earthquakes. Fast forward to today, the push for clean energy and geopolitical events like the Ukraine-Russian war are set to significantly alter the oil and gas industry in the coming years. The production of oil accounts for 1/3 of the world's carbon emissions, and the production of natural gas generates 1/5. Top climate scientists are urging governments to make policy changes that would drastically reduce oil and gas production, replacing them with clean energy alternatives like solar, wind, and nuclear power. The U.S. government has been making strides to comply. In May, the Biden administration announced that $11 billion in grants and loans would be available to advance clean energy programs. Billions more are available through the infrastructure bill, focusing on electric vehicles, changes in the power infrastructure, and alternative energy generation. Solar panel tax credits have reached a high of 30%. However, the infrastructure bill does contain compromise provisions for fossil fuels, attempting to both reduce demand while incorporating land leasing provisions. Geopolitical events like the war in Ukraine highlight the importance of energy independence and the dangers of over-reliance on foreign producers that can significantly impact the U.S. economy. So, what does all this mean for maintenance and reliability? Well, it's going to significantly impact the oil and gas industry, opening new opportunities for both people and technologies. Firstly, there will be a growing demand for skills to properly maintain assets related to alternative energy production in solar, wind, and nuclear. Back in 2011, the International Labor Organization issued a report stating that maintenance technicians would be needed throughout the 20 to 30-year lifespans of these new assets. The commercialization of renewable energy options like solar is opening up new opportunities to innovate. This innovation breeds additional technology, applications of AI, and solutions based on machine learning. The use of AI within the oil and gas industry itself, especially in maintenance, will continue to increase, generating demand for professionals who can optimize these tools. AI tools are currently helping oil and gas companies to digitize records, analyze data and geological maps, and identify things like pipeline corrosion. Individuals will be needed to manage the AI collection and usage of data from various sources to make smarter decisions, optimize operations, and maintain growth. This could even extend asset lifespan through better condition monitoring and maintenance. These trends will push maintenance from its traditional role of being a reactive function to a more proactive, predictive team player. Looking ahead, I believe we're going to see maintenance workers move into organizations focused on solar, wind, nuclear, and other renewable energy production. I also hope we'll see a significant boost in reliability and longer asset lifetimes that will result from advanced technology. However, we'll need to be ready to accept that the pace of innovation means an investment in both the technology itself and in associated training. The bottom line for oil and gas companies will be to strike that delicate balance of determining when to retire old equipment, which carries rising maintenance costs and lower efficiency, with newer, efficient, advanced equipment that may be more difficult to operate and maintain. Finding that equilibrium in future years will be the key to continued growth and success. So, let's gear up for an exciting future in maintenance and reliability in the evolving landscape of the oil and gas industry. Thank you for watching this deep dive into the transformation of the oil and gas industry and its impact on maintenance and reliability. To recap, we discussed the shift from conventional drilling to fracking, the rise of clean energy initiatives, and how these changes are creating new opportunities for innovation and job growth. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. For more information, please visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.